Are you looking for the best replacement brake rotors? In this video, we will break down the top 4 replacement brake rotors on the market.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. Raybestos R-Line Brake Rotor. If you drive it on the streets on a daily basis, Raybestos R-Line rotors are the way to go. They're designed for that exact type of driving. Reduced vibration and lower noise levels than many alternatives, along with the use of quality materials, ensure these rotors are as attractive as they are affordable. Seeing as these rotors are available for most applications, it's almost impossible not to recommend them. Also, as Raybestos' economy option, it's worth pointing out that it's only slightly more affordable than the premium option for some applications, making it easy to skip past. At number 2. ACDelco's Silver Brake Rotor. Those of you with a General Motors vehicle can save money and still get quality rotors with ACDelco's Silver line. These rotors offer the airflow, performance, and low road noise you'd expect from the factory only without going broke. That's because ACDelco is the manufacturer for GM vehicles, meaning you're also getting the best fit and finish possible. As if that's not enough, this rotor is also backed with a 12-month unlimited mile warranty. This line is not a performance upgrade. It is also only available to a limited number of vehicles, and few vehicle owners can take advantage of the line. At number 3. EBC Brakes Dimpled and Slotted Sport Rotor. Swapping in some EBC rotors is one of the first things many vehicle owners will do. There are performance gains to be had, but it's hard to deny the aesthetic appeal of these sporty, black rotors. As for what really matters, these are slotted and dimpled rotors that use wider slots to keep the brakes cooler while dimpling instead of drilling avoids cracks. These have the added benefits of reducing noise and avoiding brake fade under load and heavy braking. Promoting even pad wear and consistent braking throughout the life of the pads are just more ways this design sweetens the pot. The price is a major downside for these rotors, considering the minimal gains they offer to street applications under most conditions. And though the design implements some features to cut down on noise, it doesn't change the fact that these rotors generate wind noise that smooth rotors will not. At number 4. Bosch QuietCast Premium Disc Brake Rotor. Bosch QuietCast is a good name for rotors for the daily commuter. As the name implies, these rotors offer superior noise dampening to make the ride as enjoyable as possible. These are built with precision balancing, original equipment vane configuration, and coated with a durable aluminum zinc plating to keep corrosion at bay. In almost all ways, it's a step up from any factory rotors and is available to any of today's passenger vehicles, both foreign and domestic. The primary drawback to this rotor is that it's more expensive than many other options. This is also not a performance upgrade, even if it's costlier than other options.